Hey guys, welcome to another episode of DNS Adventures. Today is a special day. We're going to be hiking in the state of Virginia. Where are we going to hike in the state of Virginia, Deanna?
Rocky Knob Recreation Area.
And we have a couple guests here.
Hello!
Got my fellow YouTubers here filming Mabry Mill today, but we will be going off on a hike a little bit later in this video as well. So apparently there's actually a sawmill in here too. I did not realize that. So first time we were seeing this here.
Yeah, and a woodworking shop.
Oh, pretty cool. So are there like different settings for that? For different, yeah, I guess there's different.
They got some notches.
Okay.
For the sawmill, he had a pulley down there, and the bills ran through here to that pulley and turned the saw. And he sat here and operated it, just like a regular sawmill, you know, with modern day sawmill.
You got a nice little bench there to sit on too.
Yeah, I guess that's his bench. What they done, they restored this. This place went down and the park took over. And him and a fellow named Newton Helton built this place. Well, he died and Newton Helton redid it.
Oh, that's a good idea for tall people. Is there a lot of maintenance that has to go into maintaining like the roof and different things?
They replace the roof every once in a while.
Every once in a while?
They work on that quill at times and then they replace it every 20 or 30 years.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's not the original wheel.
Makes
the
sense.
The wheel was I believe a 16 foot, and it was too big, and that's 14 foot and 10 inches or something like that now.
Go for it. Sounds like a train. That can really get going. It's just incredible, all the engineering that went into this. So yeah, this is the first time we've actually had Canadians come to visit us. We've had Americans, but not any Canadians before. Oh, Japanese too, but turned Canadian.
That's right. Baby Canadian.
Yeah, he called me baby Canadian.
Yeah, she's not quite a full-fledged Canadian yet, but she's
Working
well
on
her way.
it. Yeah. Well, this was an unplanned little stop along the Blue Ridge Parkway. Now we're gonna head further northeast on the Blue Ridge Parkway.
Northeast-ish.
Yes. To head towards Rocky Knob Recreation Area. Well guys, we finally made it to Rocky Knob Recreation Area here in Virginia. We're going to show these two a little bit of our home turf. There's like a frog rock up here too somewhere. Yep, it's still here. Someone made a face at the rocks.
Which way are you gonna attempt there, hon?
This is nice
Got it?
At least I hope these are waterproof. Yep, now time to suck in a little bit of air. It's really not too incredibly humid. It is humid, but it's not too bad.
Was it a time lapse on the bridge?
Yes, I believe so.
You weren't there on that hike, huh? It was just me.
We should walk like this, Dan. Found ourselves a bunny rabbit. Oh, taken off already. That's where that Floyd Fest is, where that tall building is.
rewarding seeing somebody else have to do it.
Sorry if I'm screwing up your shots. So what do you guys think of the trail so far?
It's been beautiful. I really
Yeah.
like it, yeah.
Yeah, it's being able to, it's a nice mix of being in the woods, being in the open, and that breeze today is perfect pairing with the wonderful weather.
Probably destroying the audio on this video too.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, but yeah, no, perfect hike, lots of really nice views, and really great introduction to the Virginia area.
Yeah, there's another trail you can hike up to the top of that little mountain over there. I forget what it's called.
Is that the one with the tower that we
Yeah.
went to? Or the shelter, whatever.
The shelter.
I'm falling behind if you're waiting for me.
Ninja skills.
Yeah.
One of the coolest things about hiking with a fellow YouTuber is sharing all of our adventures with each other. And capturing them tripping on sticks.
Oh, you were filming?
Yeah. Such a beautiful day. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this little adventure. I have no idea how much we talked during the video or what we actually filmed because we were just talking the entire time. But it's been a really fun adventure. If you guys like this video, hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. You can also check us out at
dnsadventures.com.
And as always,
Adventure on!